Today we have a Bobcat. This one has a track machine, T190 Bobcat, and this one has a problem. Rubber track doesn't hold the tension, and as you can see, it's sagging. All right, let's check it out, what's happening. And boom, look at that. See that track tensioner cylinder is not holding grease anymore. That seal is pushed. Well, actually that is a scraper, but seal inside the cylinder is leaking that grease out. And yeah, we cannot keep it proper tension. Let's go to the other side. I will show you how it should look. Lots of good fertile dirt everywhere. And let me get a big chunk out, and nice and dry. Oh, dirty, but no any grease coming out. That's what we would like to see on the left side. And yeah, let's go take that track tensioner cylinder off, get it fixed, and get this bad boy around and going. I have machine already sitting safely on the blocks. As you can see, my truck is not touching the ground. It's all free hanging, and I have a block here. Machine sitting on the blocks at the front and the very back. That truck is still on the ground. That's good. I have my lift arm up in the air, as you can see, and my safety block is in place. We don't want this accidentally drop down and cause any problems. Yeah, we're safe to go. And why we're keeping the things up, because we have to get enough room to pull the idler wheel, remove the track. We don't have to take it completely apart, but just enough to get the idler out, spring, and pull that cylinder with the block. That's what we want to do. Safety goggles. All right, here's our door panel covering the access to those two grease nipples. When you pump the grease in, get a tension up, or release the nipple and get a grease out and release the tension. Yeah, let's clean those bolts. Lots of clean dirt around. I tried to clean much as I could with a little speed shovel, but a little bit is here. Let's undo those bolts. Trusty rigid, and we're using 14 mil socket. Yeah, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. All right, let's take this bolt loose, take it out, and here we go. Oh, nice. Look at that. Yep. We have to get a grease out from the cylinder and drop the tension, what's left, to get this truck even more loose. All right, this bad boy is spinning. I would like to get this door out completely, and yeah, I will hold that nut. Bolt is spinning. There we go. I had to hold it nut at the back. Let's remove the bolt. As you can see, we'll clean everything when we'll be putting parts back together. Good for now. All right, look at that. Now we have all room. Yeah, let's clean that grease a little bit, get access to those grease nipples, and start getting more and more greasy and dirty. And let's wear the rubber gloves to protect our skin. 7/16 deep socket extension and 1/4-inch ratchet. Let's take the bottom grease nipple out. Nice and easy. Oh, nice. That's what you want to see. Look at that, grease is coming. Aha. Oh well, that's good. Look at that. It just went all the way down. Yeah, let's clean this grease, and time to pop this track off the idler. Time to scoop the grease and fish for our grease nipple. It's somewhere there. It got pushed inside the socket. We'll get her out. We'll reuse this grease nipple, or whatever you call it, zerk. Here I go. Paper towel. Pull it out. We'll clean everything later. Alright, save it. Good. Alright, good. Clean enough for now. Let's see if we have any tension left, and we'll just jump a bit like this. See if any grease will come out. More grease will come out, less tension we'll have. Look at that. Blue one. I don't have a blue one. That's old grease, someone put it, because I haven't been using blue one for probably the last 4 years. All right. Oh yeah, let's clean that one. You know, there's a million ways to do the same thing. Some ways are better than others. I showed you how I take the rubber track from the idler wheel. As you can see how much sag we have, and that's a weight hanging down. And this truck is heavy. That's why I'm going to use a floor jack. Just get this thing underneath like that. All the way, something like that, and we start lifting. There we go. See what I mean? Will be easy to take the track off the idler when we have no weight here. Let's start from the top. Get this little bad boy here. All right. A little bit more grease even came out. Oh yeah, let's put this block underneath. Move this slab. There we go. Something like that. Beautiful. Something like that. Time for 2 small pry bars to set the teeth on an idler. Like that. Beautiful. There we go. Now, as you can see, my teeth are sitting on an idler wheel. Almost. Okay. Good. Look at that. But you can see on an idler wheel, but we want a truck to come this way. But it's okay. We'll put pipes and slide the truck out. Well, couple 1.5 pipes. Let's slide them between the teeth and an idler, and then push the truck this way. All right. Here we go. All the way. Make sure one drop behind, and one more here. Oh yeah, nice. And now we're just going to slide our track on those pipes, and they'll come out. Check it out. All right, and Pipes are slightly sticking on the back. There we go. Nice and easy. Beautiful. As you can see here, we don't want to go too crazy. Now we just have to move the track to the side just far enough to get our idler wheel out. As you can see, let's jack it up a bit, and yeah, heads off. Yeah, let me slide this truck a bit to the left. And here is a very important part, because we're going to put this truck back, and it's a little pain. It will come out from the sprocket on the back. We want to keep it on the sprocket. Align, just clear this idler like so. Yeah, just push it a little bit more and get enough room to idler come out. I don't want to get hurt. I know it's safe. This way is safer. Yeah, but we'll put this bar back when we'll be installing the truck. Good. No bars over our head. And here's the idler wheel. Needs to come out. Look at that. More grease came out. These ones are really gray. Okay, let's scoop it. Like that. A little more. Still some. Beautiful. I still have grease on my hand. Okay, as you can see, here's our cylinder. There's a plate and there's a big boy spring. This cylinder pushing on that spring, and it allows the tension on the truck to stay. And yeah, and that spring is pushing on our idler wheel. Remember which way idler wheel was installed. Let's pull it out. It's heavy. And just drop it on the ground. Oh, here we go. This side in. This side in. We'll just put it aside like that. Okay, time for plate and spring to come out. Let's stick my perfect rubber here. As you can see, it's coming out like that. Check it out. That's easy. Yep, that's easy. Yeah, remember the grease nipples are facing out like that. There's a plate on the bottom to hold the cylinder from turning, and there you can see. Okay, let's pry more. Careful not to scratch the cylinder. Just carefully pry it here, and all this thing will come out. Beautiful. She's coming. But it's dirt here. Let's clean it. like one assembly. I like to drop it on the slide. No, the concrete floor smashing everything. Oh, beautiful. Let's check the inside. Yeah, as you can see where this cylinder was sitting and pushing on idler wheel. Pay attention how everything was assembled. As you can see, this narrow part facing up to the top and grease nipples to the left. If you look from the back, yeah, this plate is facing out. You can see that wear marks here where the idler was pushing over there. And let's take a look inside, and on the very back of the housing there's a like octagon shape bracket where that cylinder will sit and prevent it from moving around. Yeah, what I'm going to do, just go and scrape most of the dirt. Don't need to tighten it too much, like that. It's all the way down, tight, good. If this video is helpful, put a thumbs up, like that. There's a like button, very appreciated that. And if you have any questions, critics, suggestions, put them down in the comment section below under the video. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Take care, and see you soon. Bye bye now. We have 4,500 hours on the clock.